Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have any of the following three vehicles, guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Promaster City, guys, with the 2.4 Multiair engine. That engine is also known as Tigershark Engine. Stay with us, guys, and we will explain how to remove and replace the crankshaft position sensor and where it's located. You don't need any special tools because on some vehicles you have to have aligning tools and all that stuff, especially Ford and Mazda like to use that, but on Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, guys, you don't need to worry about that. Now, we got the engine out of the car, guys. You do not need to remove your engine. Why we removed it? Because we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine alone, guys. And by getting it out of the vehicle, we'll be able to show you with great detail where every body is located, how to remove and replace pretty much anything on that engine. So if you have one of those, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our mission, guys, here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on it, guys. If you need to buy a new sensor, crankshaft position sensor, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get our parts from for a good price, guys, fast shipping. So this is, guys, the engine right here. When you open the hood of your vehicle, okay, you're going to face the engine this way, you can see, and you're going to have, guys, the engine cover that we'll need to remove. Just grab it, pull it out. You have 4 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4. These rubber bushings attached to the valve cover, here, 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 and here, guys. So just get it out. After that, we're going to come, guys, okay, do the work only on super cold engine. Why? Because if you do it on hot engine, it's next to the exhaust, guys, and you'll severely burn yourself on that exhaust. So be super careful how you do that. Now, if you look, guys, on the right side of the exhaust, okay, right there, this is your crankshaft position sensor, that little bitty guy, okay, right there. So how you guys remove and replace that sensor now? That red thing, slide it out, okay, like that. Check out now how much, okay, I'm trying to focus here. We slid the red thing out. So by sliding it out, guys, we'll be able to press on the back of the clip here and release the clip. Okay, now I can show you better. Okay, check it out, how we slid the red thing out, then you press right here, down, it releases the clip, guys, and you can pull it out. All we need now is a 10mm deep socket. Go ahead, remove it. Now at that point now, guys, grab the bolt, gently pull it out. Okay, this is your bolt. Now, grab the sensor, do not twist, just go a little bit up and down, it comes out. At that point, you should be super careful not to drop anything in your engine, because if you do, you will have to take quite a few things apart, guys. Otherwise, you can severely damage it because you will get inside your engine. This is, guys, the crankshaft position sensor. That's what it looks like. Now, if you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys. But practically, all we have to do now, put it together in reverse order. We took it apart. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.